was een RS-Q8. So, hello everyone. Thanks again for tuning in on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. My name is Martin and Megan is behind the camera. Maybe we can actually make a cool intro from you, so that because you're from South Africa for some reason, so you're coming out of the bushes with a giraffe and an elephant and a lion or something around you, like Madagascar. So, in this episode we're going to talk about Hexagon lightning. So we have been searching a long time for the perfect Hexagon lightning system. And at this moment we think we probably found it. Now, and as you've seen a lot of this kind of Hexagon or Honeycomb or Hexagrid kind of lightning is being offered through a lot of Asian websites. And we also actually purchased two, but they really couldn't convince us. And then at the end of the day, we pretty much found a system from Germany, like here around the corner. So thank you very much for helping us out with this cool LED Hexagrid system. There are three types to choose from. The simplest type is like what you see here above, but without the outer lining. So you only have the insert lighting, the Hexagon or Hexagrid kind of design. Then there's a second type. That's actually how it is here, which is included with the outer lining. And there's a third type, which is this type, which is also the Hexagrid, the outer lining, and it also has a built-in dim function. And the dim function makes it super interesting for people that do a lot of ceramic or quartz coatings. And why is that? Why is the dim function so important when you work with ceramic or quartz coatings? Because especially on dark colors, and if you work on 3D shapes, and 3D shapes we can find here around the emblem, or let's say here around or the lower parts of the door panel, and especially when it's dark green, anthracite, dark blue or black. Then if you have worked on a black car for many hours, then sometimes your visibility is a little bit gone. So you apply your ceramic coating here, then you let it cure, and then you wipe off the excess material with your microfiber towel. But you think you touched everything, but because of various reasons, you didn't touch it correctly, or maybe the fibers in your towel will full with excess coating material, and then it's not so absorbent anymore. And if you have the correct type of light, which is not too bright, so the dim function really helps here, then your visibility is super good, also on dark colors and especially on black colors. So let me show you how it works. We integrated the dim function in the switch here into the wall. This is the most bright setting. So this is the 100% LED setting, and on lumen it is maximum. Let me check the website, which goes easy on your smartphone. It's 120 lumens maximum. So this is 100%. And if you want to see scratches or imperfections on paint, this is perfect. If you want to have it mounted vertically, so let's say on the wall, for example, you can also do that. So it's really good to see scratches and imperfections and swirls. Now, if we turn it off and on again, now it's on 70% of that 110, 120 lumens. So this is already much more modest kind of lighting, so not so bright anymore. And with a more modest sharpness of lighting, we can see already the contours of the paint much better, the shapes of the bodywork, especially also here. So if I would wipe it here, I can also already see it much better if I left some excess material or not. Now I will switch it off and on again, and now we're only on 40% of those 110 lumens, which is not so much anymore. But not so much bright lighting is perfect if you want to see all edges, all crevices, all contours in the shape of the car, which makes it much easier to remove all your excess material and have it visible at the moment that you're working on it. So much light, yes, is very thankful, especially if we're doing paint correction or sanding and paint corrections. But if we're working with quartz or ceramic coatings, then we would really love a little bit less bright light. And with this built-in dim function, you can have it in your workshop super easy. And with that, yeah, make sure you do everything you can so your end result of your detail jobs with ceramics or with quartz coatings are the best as they can get. So all Hexagon LED systems are 4 meters 80 in length and 2 meters 40 in width. You can also connect them together if you want to. It comes as a set, as a box, so you can build it up yourself. It's not so super difficult. We did it here on a Saturday morning. And if you want to see it live here for yourself, as many customers do, come by and say hi. So we're happy to talk with you, to demo it for you and how it works, give you some tips and tricks if it's suitable for you or not. And yeah, more or less make it work. That's what we always do. So I hope this video explains to you a little bit what the advantage is of a Hexagon LED lighting system, and especially what the advantage is if you have a built-in dim function on it. So that's pretty much it. If you still have got some questions, please write them here below, or you can also email it to us, info@cardetailing.eu, or use the live chat function or the web app function with the customer service here. If you didn't do it already, please hit the subscribe button. So it really helps us to grow the channel, and I've seen also the last weeks we grew a lot, so thank you very much for that. And please hit the thumbs up button, so it really helps us to grow into the YouTube algorithm, and yeah, that really helps us and motivates us to make more cool content related to car care and detailing for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you guys and girls again in the next one. Bye bye.